Howdy there, folks. This is the Collector 6819 coming back at you with another box break, blaster box, I should say, of 2012 Topps Update Baseball. So here we go. You get in here, there are 10 packs of cards, 2 packs of the Walmart exclusive. I got this from Walmart, so there's 2 packs of blue bordered cards, 1 commemorative, which we'll save till the end, and then the rest of the cards will be regular for Topps Update. So we're starting with our blue bordered. We have Ryan Ludwig, Joe Mather. We have Steve Delbar, a Chris Sale mini, a code card, Brian Tuzer, rookie. We have a Melky Cabrera All-Star, Josh Hamilton All-Star. Okay, we've got Matt Lindstrom, Juan Francisco, Patrick Corbin Blue, rookie, a gold sparkly card of Ian Kinsler, All-Star, a Johnny Peralta, a Prince Fielder, we missed one here, it's Matt Cain, then you have Prince Fielder, then you have Ryan Cook, rookie. And we'll get into our regular packs now. We have Tyler Chatwood, Wilson Valdez, Dan Starley, rookie. I apologize if I mispronounce anybody's name. Ryan Fuentes, Gold Sparkle, a Golden Greats, Mike Schmidt. We have an Alan Herrera, an AJ Pollock, rookie. Allen is a rookie as well. And then Jesus Montero, rookie. Still kind of hoping we get a Bryce Harper in here. So we got Darren McDonald, Chris Medlin, Matt Harvey. There's a good rookie. We have a Lucas Luttridge, rookie, a Chris Coughlin, a Blockbusters Reds get Griffey Jr., Matt Adams, rookie, and a Rafael Furcal All-Star. Okay, we have an Ernesto Ferrari, Darren O'Day, a Cole Calhoun rookie, a Curtis Granderson variation for the All-Star. This is showing him in a suit and tie, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure how those are to get. So Robin Yount, Golden Moments, Jason Isringhausen, Ryan Braun, and Fernando Rodney, All-Star. Both the Rodney and the Braun were All-Stars. Matt Albers, Alfredo Sullivan, Josh Lindblom, a Gio Gonzalez mini, another code card, Lance Nix, Ian Kinsler All-Star, and a David Freese All-Star. Chris Nelson, Lucas Harrell, Zach Greinke. We have a gold sparkle card of Alex Burnett for the Twins. Jason Vargas, gold. Ross Detweiler. We have a Robinson Cano, All-Star, or home run derby card, sorry, and a Jose Bautista, All-Star. 3 more packs left in this little blaster box pack, or case, not case, box. And then we have our exclusive patch card. Steve Kishnick, Manny Acosta, Steve Delabar, Matt Cain All-Star Gold, Blockbuster, Red Sox get Beckett, a Prince Fielder Home Run Derby card, a Robinson Cano All-Star, and a Will Middlebrooks. Okay. Ty Wigington, Santiago Castillo, Patrick Corbin, rookie, Tim Lincecum, Golden Moments, a Pittsburgh Pirates Ever Wonder, Cole Hamels, a Joe Peralta, Chris Resop, Ramon Ramirez. And our last pack here for this box before we get to our patch card, we got Jake Westbrook, Waquan Bennett, we have a Dallas Kushler, a Donovan Solano, Scott Rowland Gold, Cabrera for the Indians, mini, a Yoenis Cespedes, rookie, which is pretty cool, and a Pablo Sandoval. So, and here is our patch card. We have a Blockbusters, White Sox get Carlton Fisk. So I think that's pretty cool. Commemorative bat logo patch relic. So, just a commemorative patch that they made for him. So, there we have it. That was one box of the 2012 Topps Update Baseball. So, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.